Okay, so here we have a monitor attached to a variable flow pump. Now, one thing that may happen from time to time is if we tell it to spray, notice that on our screen here, we have a flow rate of 0.0 ounces. But obviously, you can hear the pump running, and it's running at full bore. This isn't good. Another thing that you may note is if you were to go down into calibration, obviously making sure that your plumbing is going into some sort of a catch can, because the pump is moving. But what you'll also notice here in calibration is we have a pulse per second count, a pump PPS of 0.0. So even though there is a flow going through here, and we can measure it, we'll just say, for example, that we got 16 ounces for our high, and we'll put in 7.9 for our mid, again, checking that the pulses per second are again still 0. And our low pulses per second is also 0.0. We'll put in a value of 4 just for a demonstration. Notice that we actually have a calibration slope that looks normal in this scenario as well. However, now when I go to spray and we throw it into manual, I've recalibrated, so everything should be working, right? Now the pump doesn't spray at all, and we get a value for a flow rate of NaN, or not a number. So what's going on? Well, what happened here is this chopper wheel that's found inside the FMI pump right here has gotten some dirt on the lens. So how can we resolve this? Well, with a little bit of compressed air, like you could find in a keyboard cleaner, you just apply to the sensor. And now we have actually cleaned up the sensor. However, now our problem is the calibration's no good. So once you've cleaned the sensor, you'll want to recalibrate. So we'll do that again. We'll go down to calibrate. And we'll start calibrating again. But notice what's going to happen that's going to be a bit different now. Now we have a pulse per second count for our high calibration rate. This is what we should be expecting. So we'll type in our values again. Put in 16 ounces, for example. Then we'll put in 7.9. And then we'll put in 4 for our low. Calibration slope looks good as well. But now that we've recalibrated with the lens cleaned up, when we throw it into manual spray, for example, the pump sprays at the appropriate rate, and we're seeing our flow rate that we're trying to target. So I hope this video helps. If you guys have any questions about this, just call the service line at 855-782-3378, and we'll guide you through this. Thanks.